Eyes, whether they're simple or sultry, it absolutely does not matter. I recommend just making sure you layer those lashes and keeping it real flirty, fresh, and fun daily. Whether it's a wash of a bronze color or a matte skin tone, eyes are very important because I feel like they're the first thing people see. So what do you want them to know about you? Are you a very clean lady? Or you're sultry and sexy with a smoky eye? Whatever it may be, whoever you are, just make sure your eyes are just very clean and very polished and put together. And I will say, if you're really not sure how to use eyeshadow, we're going to keep it really safe. We're going to keep it really easy, but very effective and pretty with a wash of color, blending it out, and therefore you'll know how to have the right look every day in a simple 1, 2, 3, 20-minute piece. The first step is to apply a little bit more concealer over the eyelid or primer. The purpose of this process is to remove any hyperpigmentation or natural discoloration.